Now, see, the point that I have considered here, get pixel is what? Return the color. So what is the color of 15 is the white color. So old color is equal to get pixel. What is the value they have written? Which value they have written? 15. Why 15? Because of 15 is the white color. 15 is the white color. So first they have written the 15. Okay. Color again the 15, get pixel. And now I am going to put this with the color 2. Okay. See, the condition is satisfied. Old color is equal to color. Yes. 15 is equal to 15. Yes, correct. 15 is equal to 15. And new color is what? 2 is not equals to color. That is also not equals. So that I am going to use put pixel. So that time you have to put pixel. The condition is satisfied. Put pixel over here. So whenever that I am going to drop, then again I am to call this seed fill, the seed fill algorithm. Again I am going to call this seed fill algorithm for next pixel. So what is x plus 1 means I have to draw again x plus 1, okay, and then trace up to this. Now on the edge, what my color is going to change? This is become a black. This color, okay. So this color will become a black. So this value is going to cross, and here which color they have put on a edge? That is the color become over here 0. Okay. Here become a 0. Where? On the edge. See, this is on the edge. Okay. So on the edge, our color is going to change. On edge, color change. Change to which? 0. Because of color change to the 0. Why? Because of that is the black color. 0 stand for black color and 15 stand for white color. Now, go for this is again. Wait for the moment. Okay. Now, so this is condition not satisfied. So they have not filling on the edge. So they have roll back from the edge. So how that is going to come? See. So once they have dropped, so go for your x minus direction like. One minute, just 1 minute. I will start. Okay. Now on the edge, that color is changed. Now come for the program. So just I am explaining again on the program so that you can understood very easily. So just sharing the screen. Okay. So this is a program that you have draw the polygon. Now come for the next one. New program I have considered here for seed field algorithm. Just have to check again how to start the screen. Wait for a moment. Just have to start the DOS box again because of that shows the error. Now start our program here. Seed fill algorithm. Seed fill algorithm. Now, so here I am going to explain how can recursive. Recursive means what? Function called itself in a function. Now start your programming. First of all, you have to type hash include stream.h. Second hash include graphics.h. Second hash include. Okay, just I am typing directly because of you already know conio.h. Okay, now I am taking the function here seed field. So void seed field is the name of my function. So what are the parameter I am passing here? 4. My old color, okay, new color, and then color, okay, and then those the color I want to set. There is a 4 parameter I am going to pass. Now come for the main function. This is my define the function. This I have defined the function. In the main function, what you can do in a main function, first of all, int gd is equals to detect. Int gd is equals to detect. So that will detect the graphics driver. Now int I can take here p of 20, okay, 2. This is my polygon 2-dimensional array. 202 is my polygon 2-dimensional array. Then I can take I, n, x max, y max, x mid, okay, y mid. So what is this? This is for my x axis, y axis declaration. Then I can take another integer x, y, then old color, right? Then new color, and then you can take the color. Okay, old color, new color, and then color. So that is for the comparison. Now init graph, in init graph, you have to pass is what? And gd, and gm, you have to take is what? Turbo C3 VGI. Okay, so this is you have to initialize. Here, what I have added? Only the function. Now come for the next one. That is my seed fill function. So what I need? Again the same. X max is equal to get max x, maximum value of x, and y max is equal to get max y. Here you have to consider get max x, get max y. Okay. So these are the two. Then x mid is equal to what? X max by 2, and y mid is equal to is what? Y max by 2. That is the center point. Y max by 2. So this is my origin. X mid, Y mid is my origin. See out. So same, because of first of all you have to draw the polygon. So for that you have to enter the number of vertices or edges or polygon, and that should not be less than 3. It must be equals to 3 or greater than 3. Scene, what the scene? You can use the n value because of n is the number of vertices that you have to put. For again you have to consider here for loop to read all one by one coordinates. I is equals to 0, I less than here n I plus plus. Okay. Now here you have to start, suppose the for loop with the opening curly bracket. So here I am enter the coordinate. Excuse me. X, I, okay, and then y coordinates, x, I, y coordinates, and here you have to end with this value. See in my p of I0, correct? P of I0 is my x coordinates, p of I0, okay, and p of I1, I1, this is my y coordinates. Just I explain it to you. Then p of I0 you have to initialize to what? Your x means what? P of I0 plus P of I0 x mid, I0 plus x mid, and y mid you have to subtract P of I1 is equals to y mid minus P of I1. Now, so that have put the point on x mid, y mid, there is a p value. Means p of I0 indicate my x and p of I1 indicate my y. So that's why I have added with the x mid and subtracted from the y mid. Now, this is complete conversion. Now, last point you have to initialize to the first point. So p of I0 is equals to p of 0, 0, correct? And p of I1 you have to use that is p of 0, 1. So that is indicate the last points to the first point. Initialize. Because of this is your closed figure. So save as. So you may say that is a seed.cpp. Okay. Now seed.cpp. So first of all, I have to draw the x-axis, y-axis. So line, what is the x-axis coordinate then? X mid, comma 0, comma what? X mid, x max. This is my x-axis. And line y mid is what? 0, comma y mid. Because of you are going to draw the y-axis, so that you have to start with the 0, y mid, and x max, y mid. So this become your what? Y-axis. Now start your drawing a polygon. Okay. So I is equals to, suppose I have put I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay. Then here you have to draw simple one line. So I am using the line. So line you can use what? X mid, comma 0. No, here you have to draw the polygon line. So that time you have to use the P of I0, comma P of I1. Correct. This is your x0, y0. Then P of I plus 1, 0, comma P of I plus 1, 1. Correct. This become your what? X0, y0, x1, y1. Okay. Now go for line P of I0, comma P of, because of the last line you have to draw with the first point, so P of 0, 0. Okay. And then P of 0, 1 goes to the P of I0 with P of I1. is the last point to the first point that you are going to draw. Correct. So line P of 0, 0, 0, 1 to I0, I1. Now, here comes your polygon. Then you have to enter the midpoint. So see out. Enter the inside point. Enter the inside point. Coordinate x comma y. Inside point. Then you have to see in. See in is what? X and y. Inside point of the polygon you have to read. Just write the statement, enter the inside point. Because of once you draw the polygon, then you need the inside point. So that inside point again you have to put as an x is equal to x plus x mid and y is equal to y mid minus y. Because of this entire things you are going to draw on x axis, y axis. So start your algorithm. So here old color is equals to what? Get pixel. I already told you, take the old color as a get pixel. So xy is the coordinates. Only you have to pass, only two parameters you have to pass in get pixel. New color. So I have to put the new color. Which one is the new color? So that new color directly I am going to initialize, not the function. The new color, suppose I have put the green. So to value stand for the green. Now the seed field algorithm I already announced on the top. So xy, okay, new color and old color. Okay. Now this is the function you have to pass the parameter. In this function, these are the parameter you have to pass. What? 4 parameter is your xy, new color and old color. Now get ch, that's your the function close graph. Okay, close your main function. Now right here your seed field function. So what are the seed field function? Int x, int y, okay, then int new color, okay, and then integer old color. Okay. Now this is the function. What? So I need the seed point and then old color and the new color. So here I have to consider int color is equals to first get pixel x comma y. If so, what I have told the condition, if color is equal to old color, color is equals to old color, and means both the condition must be true, and color is not is equals to. So this is the symbol for not is equals to old color. Not is equals to old color. Then what you can do? When opening curly bracket or if condition, put pixel with new color. So xy comma new color. Now that have to call this function with all 4 value, means x plus x minus y plus y minus. So how can call seed field? So this is called as a recursive calling. X plus 1 comma y comma new color comma old color. Okay. Then again seed field x comma y plus 1 new color comma old color. Okay. Now go for seed field with x minus 1 y, because x plus 1 x minus 1 y new color comma old color. Now then come for seed field with x minus y plus 1 new color comma old color. Okay. So close this if condition and close your loop. So this becomes your entire program. Means what? Here I have called the seed field, same algorithm. This is the same algorithm I am calling 4 times x plus 1, y plus 1, x minus 1, y minus 1. This is called as the recursive calling. Means same function call inside the function is nothing but the recursive calling. Now save this program. I am going to compile it. So that shows the 3 error. What? Y max. Y max. The variable I have changed. Y max. Okay. Now again save it. Again compile it. That shows the error is what? So new color having a comma over here. Now show the program. Again compile it. Okay. And then run it. Now see the number of vertices over here enter the 4 because of that value must be greater than 4. So start with the suppose the 10, 10, 50, 10, 50, 50, 10, 50. Okay. So this is going to draw the my polygon. Now I am going to enter the inside point. Suppose I have entered the inside point 15, 15. Okay. So 10, 10 is my last point. 15, 15 is the inside point. So that you have to enter. So I will come out. Wait, that's another program. Okay, see. Suppose I want to start. My polygon is the 4. Now 10, 10 is the point, correct? 50, 10, 50, 50, 10, 50. Okay. Now what is the point? Suppose 15, 15. See, so that polygon is going to fill if I enter the 15, 15 color. So this is the way that you can execute the program. So I'm going to share this program. You can execute on your side. Okay? Because of time is over now. So I'm going to conclude this lecture. Okay? So stop.